In the agriculture sector, we're seeing a significant sentiment score of -0.75, indicating a strong wave of negativity, which is notable against historical baselines, where sentiment typically hovers around neutral. Pair that with zero momentum over the last 24 hours, and you've got an unusual stagnation coupled with a pessimistic outlook. Our API returns nuanced insights that categorize this sentiment into 20 semantic clusters, giving you context to understand what's fueling this negative sentiment. Imagine you're developing a risk assessment tool for farmers. You can leverage this data to alert users about potential risks tied to current market sentiments, helping them make informed decisions on planting or selling. Dive deeper into our Agriculture Sentiment API and start building. Visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.